Ever wondered why some code is easier to read and maintain? Design patterns are the secret sauce. They solve common software design problems, making your back-end development smoother and more efficient. This presentation is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-22284. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. By using design patterns, you enhance code readability and maintenance. They provide a structured approach, allowing developers to communicate effectively and build robust systems. Let's dive into how they work. The Decorator pattern is like adding toppings to your favorite pizza. It dynamically adds functionality to objects without altering their structure. This promotes flexibility and code reusability. In back-end systems, decorators are used to extend functionalities, such as logging or authentication, without modifying existing code. This makes your code base more adaptable to change. The command pattern encapsulates requests as objects, allowing for parameterization and queuing of tasks. It's like having a remote control for your operations. This pattern is crucial for implementing undoable operations and decoupling the sender from the receiver. It simplifies complex operations, making your code more manageable. The adapter pattern acts as a bridge, allowing incompatible interfaces to work together seamlessly. It's like a translator for your code. In legacy systems, adapters are invaluable for integrating old and new components. They enhance system interoperability, ensuring smooth communication between different modules. Each pattern has unique strengths. The decorator adds flexibility, the command simplifies operations, and the adapter ensures compatibility. Choosing the right one depends on your specific needs. Explore case studies where these patterns shine. Understanding their applications helps you make informed decisions, optimizing your back-end development process. Implementing design patterns can be tricky. Common mistakes include overcomplicating solutions and ignoring simplicity. Always aim for clarity and straightforwardness in your implementations. Follow best practices to ensure successful integration. Keep your patterns simple and clear, focusing on the problem they solve rather than the pattern itself. Let's review the core concepts: decorator for flexibility, command for operation management, and adapter for compatibility. These patterns significantly impact back-end development. By using design patterns effectively, you enhance code quality and maintainability. Remember, they are tools to simplify and improve your development process. Start implementing these patterns in your projects. Experiment with real-world scenarios to solidify your understanding and improve your coding skills. Share your experiences and learnings with the community. By collaborating, we can all grow and enhance our development practices together. Remember, design patterns are not just theoretical concepts. They are practical tools that can transform your code and make your life as a developer easier. Take the first step today. Review your current projects and identify areas where these patterns can be applied. You'll see the benefits in no time. By embracing design patterns, you not only improve your code, but also contribute to a more efficient and collaborative development environment. Let's make a change. Implement these patterns, share your journey, and inspire others to enhance their coding practices. Together, we can build better software,